guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video I am going to be trying out two of AsIAm's coloring gel that they just released. I actually ordered 3 colors, but I'm only going to be demoing 2 in this video. So first let me just show you the box that it came in. It has this little flip up lid here, and open up, and this is how it comes packaged. Has lots and lots of bubble wrap, and each color came individually wrapped in the bubble wrap. So the first color that I'm going to show you that I purchased is the Passion Purple. This is what that looks like there. The next color I got was the Bold Gold. This is what that looks like here. These colors are super duper pretty and vibrant. And then the last color that I purchased was the Hot Red, and this is what that looks like. So y'all, I am really super duper excited to try 2 of these colors out for you. The colors that I'm going to try out today are the Hot Red on one side and the Bold Gold on the other side. And I know y'all are probably like, what if you have to go out in public? Well, the plan is to not go out in public, and if I have to, maybe I'll put on a hat or something. I don't know. But anywho, I just wanted to try these 2 colors at the same time, side by side, just so you guys could see, you know, what the colors look like on dark colored hair. So they do have some instructions for you to do before applying this curl gel. The first thing is to cleanse the hair using AsIAm JBCO shampoo or co-wash. I did not have either of those on hand, so I used another co-wash from another line. Then it says to spray the AsIAm JBCO water liberally, and I did do that in the shower. This is what that looks like. Next it says apply either AsIAm Classic or JBCO leave-in conditioner before coloring, and this is what that looks like there, and I applied this in the shower as well. And then lastly it says towel dry and leave hair damp, not dripping, before applying. And then it says you can use gloves to apply the color. It doesn't say you can, it actually says to use gloves, but I am not going to use any gloves because I feel that it is difficult applying products to my hair with gloves on. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my hair down just so you guys can see what my hair looks like with the JBCO water and the leave-in. This is what we're looking like. And as you can see, like, my hair is not dripping wet, but I think I will just kind of go in and just squeeze my hair with this microfiber towel just to get a little bit more water out of it. Okay, so like I said, I am going to be trying 2 of the colors. I am going to be putting the Hot Red probably on this side and the Bold Gold on this side. And I also wanted to add that I do have a sheet on my table here which is white, and I do have it draped on the floor as well, so that I won't get any of this color anywhere, because, you know, we are using some pretty bright colors. Alright, so I'm just going to clip this side away first, and let's just go ahead and start with the red. Okay, so here is the red first, the Hot Red. And so when we open it up, let's see if it has, yes, it does have a seal on it, and as you can see, I haven't opened up this product, so me and you are looking at this color at the same time. So let's go ahead and take that off. Y'all, that is red. It smells really good, y'all. It almost smells like some candy or something. Like, it smells really, really good. And let's see. All right, so we're gonna go in with this right here. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna start with this small section here. Just add it on there, y'all. Just add it on. And this is what we have so far. And I'm going to apply some more. It is pretty vibrant, I must say, too. Okay, so this is what that section is looking like so far, and as you can see, there is curl definition, and on the website it did say that it will provide a medium hold, and I will attest to that. I agree with that so far, because it doesn't, you know, feel like it's weighing my hair down any. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish applying the red on this side, and once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like. This curl enhancing color gel provides a medium hold that lasts up to 1 wash. Using sub-micron technology, this flake-free formula features JBCO and ceramides to add moisture to your hair. These gels are certified vegan and cruelty-free. It improves hair moisture by 84%, strengthens the hair by 6% after 1 application. The directions say to section hair off and apply to damp hair from root to tip. Use a generous amount based on thickness of hair. Twist or rake through the hair for desired style. It's great for twist outs, coils, wash and goes, and rod sets. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hands really quick, and I'll come back and show you guys what the bold gold looks like. Okay, so I'm back from washing my hands, and as you can see, the red came off really good. I had to use soap and water to get the red off, which is no big deal. So now we're going to go in and see what this bold gold looks like. Ooh. That looks kind of pumpkinish, but it's a really pretty color. Let's just go ahead and take that out. This is what it looks like. Love the way that it looks. Looks very vibrant and bold. So basically, I'm just going to do the gold like I did the red side, and show you guys what that looks like. Go in with that much there, and we're just gonna apply. Alright, so this is what it looks like with just that little bit of amount that I used. Definitely gonna have to go in with some more. Okay, so this is what this side is looking like right here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the rest of my hair, and of course I'll be back to let you guys see what this side looks like when I'm done. So
that's good.
Okay, so this is what the bold gold side is looking like, and I do like the way that it makes my hair look. Like, it seems to me that this side has more definition than the red side. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know if it's just me, but just let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. And yeah, so as far as the way that my hair feels right now, like, my hair feels moisturized. It doesn't feel like weighed down or anything. So I definitely believe that this gold and this red color gel will give a medium hold. So yeah, I will definitely be back maybe day 1 or day 2 to let you guys see what the final results look like. But yeah, so far so good. I have no complaints about this temporary color. Okay, so it is the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like. This is the red side and the gold side. And I would have to say that my favorite side is the red side. My husband and daughter likes the red side as well, but my son said he likes this side better. I just need something to add some more shine to it. And I totally agree with him, because my hair, you know, although it feels moisturized, it does seem like it needs, you know, some kind of extra shine to it. Like, it does seem a little dull to me. And my hair does kind of feel straw-like as well. I think it would have been better if maybe I would have added on like a leave-in and then a cream as well, and then put the gel on top of it. Maybe that would have given me like a little bit moisture. I mean, the moisture is there, but it just feels like it could use some more. And also, as I was taking my hair out of my bands, as you saw, you know, the color red did transfer on my hands, and you could see a little bit of the gold as well. And also, some of the flakes did fall on my table. So that is also something to keep in mind as well. I'm not sure if I am going to do a demo on the passion purple, but comment down below if y'all would like to see how the purple looks on my hair as well. Another thing I wanted to say about this color is the next time I use it, I'm going to make sure that my hair is a little bit drier than it was. I mean, I did squeeze out some of the excess water that I had in my hair. It wasn't like dripping wet, but there were some, you know, little droplets dropping here and there. But I think the next time that I try this curl color, I'm gonna let my hair be more on the damp side, or further on the damp side than the wet side, and see if that will allow the color to be like more vibrant and show up more. So yeah, just comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of these colors or any of the other colors that they have. There are other colors. I will have them on the screen here so you can check them out and see if you are interested in any of the other colors that they have, if you haven't tried them yet. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. Don't forget the little notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And also give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.